Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your work. Back up the world in saves now, then close Minecraft fully. Once done, open the launcher and create or switch to a clean vanilla profile so you can test without extras. Make sure to move the mods, resource packs, and shatter packs out of the Minecraft/mods and resource packs folders into a temp folder. This isolates mod conflicts and prevents safe mode triggers while you proceed. You now fix runtime and configuration issues. Update Java or your chosen loader, Fabric/Forge, and the GPU drivers, because outdated runtimes often cause safe mode. Delete options. TXT and recent crash reports to clear corrupt settings, then set RAM to 24 GB in the launcher to avoid memory spikes. Reinstall Optifine or shaders only after vanilla runs clean. This way you can identify which add-on reintroduces the error by testing between each. You finish by launching the clean profile and creating a fresh test world to confirm Minecraft runs without safe mode. Once stable, reintroduce mods and packs one at a time, testing after each edition so you spot the exact cause. If safe mode returns, open the latest crash log or the launcher console. These files point to the offending mod or driver. If you still can't fix it, reinstall the launcher and restore your back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.